Hello everyone, welcome to Ronnie Tuitions Maths has fun. Today ninth standard line and angles the topic. In that the questions are there from the textbook. So in that this is the question number 1. In figure line AB and CD. AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE, this angle and this angle is equal to 70 degree both angle, and angle BOD, this angle is the 40 degree. Find the angle BOE, this angle we have to question mark, finding out, and reflex angle of COE, this total angle we have to find out. Up to this much angle we are going to find out. Let's proceed it how to do. So first of all, it already given this AOB is a line, AB is a line, it is given what? AB is a line, it is given. So we can write angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, means this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear angles. What these are? Linear angles these are. So in that angle AOC and BOE, it is given the 70 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE given 70 degree, AOC and BOE. So we can write 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to how much? 180 degree, because of AOC and BOE. This angle and this angle is already given the 70 degree. This angle remaining COE is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of this is a line, and on the straight line the angles are always 180 degree. Then we can find the angle COE. We can write it like this: angle COE is equal to 180 degree and minus this one 70 degree. So 180 angle COE is equal to how much? 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. We come to know okay, this angle is 110 degree. This angle is 110 degree it become. Now we have to find that angle, reflex angle of that one. Reflex angle. So total in a one circle there are the 360 degree angle. So we can find that reflex angle COE is equal to what? 360 minus 360 degree minus 110 degree is equal to reflex angle of angle COE is equal to how much? 360 minus 110 is equal to 250 degree. One answer we got. Now in that asked, this already we got COE because of reflex angle of this one. Now we have to find the angle BOE, this angle we are going to. Now it is already given. Now CD is a line, it is already given. CD is a line given. So we know that one. This is 40 degree, this is angle COE plus this angle plus angle EOB, otherwise BOE, angle BOE plus angle this one BOD, angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear angles these are on a one line. It is on a one line because of CD is a line. So this angle and this angle, three angles are the linear angles. So this angle we come to know how much it is, already we here written here. So angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Angle BOE we have to find out. Angle BOE plus angle BOD already given, it is 40 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree. Then we can write this angle BOE plus angle 110 plus 40 is equal to 150 degree. 150 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. Then angle BOE is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. Then angle BOE is equal to how much become? 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. I hope you understand it. Because of on a line angles are made, that is all angles, sum of all angles on a line is always 180 degree. Total angle on that are the 360 degree, up and down, up total means it is a one line in that it is this angle, this side angles are the 180 degree and this side also angles are 180 degree. So total it become a one circle, means on a line circle. So these are the 360 degree angle. So angle BO is equal to how much? 30 degree. Next we are going to the next question. The next question is given here like this. Question given in a figure, line XY, X and Y is a line, and M and N is a line. Intersect at O. This is the intersecting point. If angle POY means this angle is 90 degree. This angle is given 90 degree, and A is to B is 2:3. Find angle C. We have to find the angle C. This is the angle C. We are going to find out it. Let's proceed it. So we know that one. Now let XY is a line. So in that all angles are how much degree? It will become the 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this one 90 degree are the 180 degree. So already this angle given 90 degree. So means this angle remaining this angle. So we can write angle B plus angle A plus and this angle, what this POY is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. It is linear pair. So that angle A and B, the angle B plus angle A is equal to, this is how much? Plus 90 degree. This is already given 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle B plus angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to angle B plus angle A is equal to what? 90 degree we got. Now it is already given ratio. Let the ratio in X form. Let angle ratio in X form, so that we can find the is to X form. So we can write this is given the 2x is to 3x it will become. Now sum of the angles, this is this angle POX angle. So this will become the 2x plus 3x is equal to how much? 90 degree. Because of this angle 90 degree, remaining angle what we got? Angle A, angle B plus A or B, we got the 90 degree total angle. So then phi x is equal to what? 90 degree. Then x is equal to what? 90 by phi is equal to 18 degree. We got the x is equal to 18 degree. Now what is the angle? Angle A is equal to what will become? This is the 2 ratio. 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree. And angle B what got? 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. This we got. Angle, this is the 36 degree. This is the 54 degree we got. Now we are going to get it. Ki angle C we are going to find out. Now it is already given. MN, line XY and MN. Now MN is a line. Now. So on that become all the angles, that also will become the 180 degree. So we know that angle MOX, otherwise angle B. Angle B plus angle, what is the name? This angle XOM means XON means that is called the C. Angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear angle. It is on a line angles. So angle B how much we got? Already we got angle B is equal to 54 degree. So 54 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then angle C is equal to what? 180 minus 54 is equal to angle C is equal to what? 126 degree. Angle C how much we got? 126 degree. Let's proceed to the next question. That is the question number 3rd. What is that in your textbook only? In figure PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So in that angle both are means angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ means this angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Then prove that angle POS and angle RT. This angle and this angle also will be equal. Also will be equal it is. Let's proceeding to that now. Exploring. Then proving it. Let the line, this one, this is a line. As T is a total line. Yes, T is a line. Yes, T is a line. In that, now we can take, this is the main line. We are taking the line as R. As R. Now, as R is a line. In that we can write, this is up to the here only we are seeing. Only we can see this much only line. This much line we are seeing, that's all. So in that what we can write? We can write angle PQS. Angle PQS plus angle which is PQR. Angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Linear pair. Now another one. This is our equation number 1. Now in that side we are taking this much line only. This much line only we are taking. So what is the name? Now another line is there. What is the name that line? QT. QT is a line. QT is a line. In that what we can write? Angle PRT plus angle PRT plus angle PRQ. PRQ is equal to what? That is also 180 degree. Because of linear pair this also. It is also linear pair. Linear pair. Sorry. Linear pair. Now this is equation number 2. Now both are the, this also equal to 180, this also equal to 180, means it is also equal to this also will be equal. Equals are side equals, then all are the equals. All equals in the axiom, Euclid geometry, in that axiom number 2. So what we can say, right? We can write it like this: angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT. This written, then equal to PRT plus angle PRQ. Both equal written because of this also equal to 180 degree. This also one equal to 180 degree. So it is reckoned to equals. Now already in that given angle PQR and angle PQR. Angle PQR, this one, and angle PRQ. PRQ, these are given equal. These are the equals. So we can cancel it. We can cancel it. So we are cancelling it like this. This is cancelled because of this already given it is. Why? Because of it is given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Given it is. Given, so that we can cancel it also. Now what remaining? Now in that remaining angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, and hence it is PQS is equal to PRT, hence it is proved. I hope you understand. Because of then in that both angles are equal, so that cancel done. Because of it is equal sign both side. Suppose that this side also 2 added, to also 2 side, this side also 2 added, this side also 2 added. So 2 also can be cancelled or can be subtracted both sides. So it will become the 0 only. Next, going to the next question, question number 4 in your textbook. So here given in figure, if x and y, these two angle is equal to w plus z, this one, then prove that AOB is a line. Now we know that one. It is a, now we are taking, this is total line we are taking. Total angle how much? Total angle it will become the 360. Okay, so we can write it angle x plus angle y plus angle w plus angle z is equal to what? 360 degree we can write, because of complete angle. It is become the complete angle, this one. It become the complete angle in that 360 degree. Now already it is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. Behalf of x plus y you can write the w plus z, otherwise w plus z you can write the xy. So suppose that I am taking it, given the angle x plus y, angle y is equal to plus, behalf of that one, behalf of this I can write this one, angle x plus angle y is equal to 360 degree. Because of in that it is already given W plus Z is equal to XY. So on this number I kept it here, X plus Y kept. Now here how much we come? 2x we come, so 2 angle X plus 2 angle Y, 2 angle Y is equal to 360 degree. Now 2 taken the common, so what we remaining it is? It is remaining angle X plus angle Y is equal to 360 degree. Now 360 degree we can cancel it or divide it by angle X plus angle Y is equal to 360 degree divided by 2. This 2, so what we got? Angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree, or 180 degree means what? It is X and Y. 180 degree means what? It is a line. So that this angle, adjacent angles, this and this adjacent angles are 180 degree, then that is the line, so that AOB is a line. Why? Because of if adjacent angles are 180 degree, then that is a line. If adjacent angles are 180 degree, both sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree, then that is a line. This is the proof for that one. So here we got here X plus angle Y, angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. This one means this and this is a one line. It is a line of understanding. If you like the video, please share, subscribe the channel if you are visited the first time, and forward to the other person to learn it. Now we are going to the next question, that is the question number 5. We have to, in figure, POQ is a line, ray OR, POQ is a line, it is given. OR, O and R, it is a ray, is perpendicular. Perpendicular means this side is 90 degree angle, this side is 90 degree angle, and this two angle also will be 90 degree perpendicular. Because of on a line, two angles are become, that is the 90 degree, 180 degree on a line. So that perpendicular to the line PQ. On the PQ, OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. OP and OR, in between that, anywhere it is. Prove that angle ROS, this angle is equal to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS, this angle. Now we are going to explore it. Let's taking now. Then by the adding equation number 1 and 2. Okay, let's coming from starting. In that it is given that OR is perpendicular to OPQ. This is OR perpendicular on that PQ, means this is angle is 90 degree. This remaining angle, total angle also remaining 90 degree. In that we know that then it will become the angle POR is total angle, this total angle. POR, this total angle is 90 degree, and this side also QOR, this also 90 degree, because of OR is perpendicular. So these two angle we are adding. See, angle POS plus angle SOR is equal to what? 90 degree, because of this angle number 1 and angle number 2. These are the 90 degree total angles. This side, this angle also 90, ROQ or QOR is 90 degree in that. So we can find that angle ROS means SOR, otherwise ROS. SOR means ROS only. ROS is equal to 90 minus this number 90, and this will go then minus POS. This is our equation number 1. Now in that what we done, after that angle QOR, this angle is 90 degree already. Why? Because of OR is perpendicular on PQ. OR is perpendicular on PQ. It is given that. So that we can write this angle QOS, this angle, this much angles are 90 plus angle SOR. So what will become? QOS minus ROS is equal to also what? 90 degree means this total angle in that angles, if we are subtracting this angle RQ, this angle, so this angle will be remaining the SR. Otherwise this total 90 already in that this subtraction doing, then this angle will be remaining in that. So angle QOS minus ROS, this remaining, then this angle also will be the 90 degree because of it is perpendicular in that. So this we can write angle ROS is equal to 90, this number, this 90 minus QOS. Otherwise QOS, this number will go that side, minus 90 it will become. If we add it, this both equation number 1, this equation adding angle ROS plus is equal to this, adding that, in that is equal to what? ROS is equal to what? 90 minus angle POS plus this angle QOS minus 90. 90 cancelled it is. Okay, in that because of it is plus, it is minus, it is cancelled in that. Adding, we are doing addition of this one. So angle what remaining? Angle ROS is equal to this angle POS plus this and this cancelled. What remaining? This is minus in that. This is minus. Here minus is there. So this will, what will become? It will become the angle minus, or this one right first. Angle QOS minus angle POS. And ROS. This is 2 times schemes. Because of in that ROS. So this angle ROS plus angle ROS. See in that this is ROS and this ROS. This also added. This is added. This side 90 minus POS and QOS minus 90. So this 90 cancelled. So this angle become angle 2 ROS is equal to this angle QOS minus angle PU. So this angle ROS is equal to this number will go that side, then it will become the division. Then half of angle QOS minus angle POS. And hence it is our proof. It is proved. Next question number 6, that is the your homework. If it is not, you are feeling difficult to solve it, please comment. It will be solved in that. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, like. Thank you.